Welcome to the Waldorf Astoria Monarch Beach Resort and Club, a luxurious coastal retreat nestled along the sun-drenched shores of Dana Point, California. Perched atop a scenic bluff overlooking the Pacific Ocean, this five-star resort offers an unparalleled blend of sophisticated elegance and relaxed seaside charm. Guests can indulge in world-class amenities, including a private beach club, an oceanfront golf course, award-winning dining, and a serene spa sanctuary. As we entered the resort, we were greeted by grand fountains and manicured landscapes that set the tone for the elegance within. The lobby boasts an open, airy design with coastal-inspired decor offering panoramic views of the Pacific Ocean. Comfortable seating areas and a cozy fireplace create an inviting atmosphere for guests. Now, let's make our way to our room on the 4th floor.
Let's take a look at room 428. It's a 2-queen deluxe with pool view. All right, so first, let's make a right. This is the spacious bathroom here. So over there is the enclosed shower. It has a tub and dual sinks. And these ASA products, those are the same products they use at the other Waldorf Astoria resorts we've stayed at. And here's the toilet, towels, one of the bathrobes is here, and some additional storage shelves here. And it has this big sliding door so you can close it for privacy. All right, now let's check out this closet. This is your normal closet with some extra pillows and blankets up there. There's an umbrella and another bathrobe. They provide a flashlight, and here is the safe and some more storage drawers. And a couple of slippers. All right, let's close this up. Now let's check out the bedroom. So we have the 2 queen beds here. Let's see what's in these drawers. I think they're empty, they're just storage space. And there's some plugs here. A couple of USB-A plugs on that side and a couple more on the other side. And some regular plugs. So that's convenient. Here's the big screen TV. And an espresso coffee maker. These 2 bottles are complimentary, and those are $10 each. There's a fridge underneath here with some drinks for purchase. They're all on sensors, so once you take them out, they charge you. And they have a small space here for your items. Let's check out these drawers. Here's the coffee and tea and some glasses. And on this side, let's see what they have here. Snacks and drinks for purchase. And these are all empty on the bottom, so additional storage. And what is this card? And these are the Hilton Diamond member benefits. So if you're a Diamond member, you get these benefits. A nice office desk with 2 chairs. A single chair right here beside the bed with a small side table. Now let's check out our balcony. So there's 2 chairs here and a small table. And let's check out our view. So we have our view of the resort and the pools. And there's a golf course in the background. So it's a very nice room here at the Waldorf Astoria Monarch Beach.
Now let's check out the resort's multiple dining options. Aveo Table and Bar is a Mediterranean-inspired restaurant offering vibrant flavors and health-conscious dishes with a stunning ocean view terrace, perfect for alfresco dining. It's open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Here's a look at the delicious items we had for dinner on a Saturday evening. We started off with complimentary plantain chips with a creamy dipping sauce. For our appetizer, we ordered this refreshing yellowtail ceviche paired with more plantain chips. Our main entrees consisted of this creamy lobster mac and cheese, some tasty tacos al pastor, and the amazing local fisherman's stew, which I highly recommend. We ended our meal with this delicious cheesecake, which looked like a piece of art. Bourbon Steak Orange County is a modern American steakhouse by celebrity chef Michael Mina, featuring premium cuts, fresh seafood, and an extensive wine and cocktail selection in an elegant, sophisticated atmosphere. It's only open for dinner Wednesday through Sunday. 33 Degrees North, located by the lobby, is a chic lounge serving craft cocktails, fine wines, and small plates in an intimate setting with live music and a cozy ambiance. Part and Parcel Market is a convenient spot for gourmet grab-and-go options, artisan coffee, and house-made pastries, ideal for a quick yet delicious treat. It's open all day for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We stopped by for breakfast and ordered the sunrise egg sandwich, ham and cheese croissant, and my favorite item here, the salmon pastrami bagel. Wine lovers will enjoy the complimentary wine tasting at the exclusive wine cave. It's only available on certain days, so check with the resort for availability. The resort boasts multiple heated pools, including the Monarch Pool and the South Monarch Pool, which features a graduated entry. Cabanas are available for reservation, providing an extra level of comfort and exclusivity. Poolside service is provided by Sombra Cantina, located adjacent to the pools, ensuring guests have access to delicious food and refreshing drinks while they relax in the sun. The resort offers complimentary beach trams that take you from the lobby to the Monarch Bay Beach Club, an exclusive beachfront dining destination exclusively for overnight resort guests and members. The restaurant serves fresh seafood, casual California cuisine, and refreshing cocktails, all set against the stunning backdrop of the Pacific Ocean. If you feel like relaxing by the sand, the staff will set up chairs and umbrellas for a more relaxing experience. Golf enthusiasts will definitely enjoy the Monarch Beach Golf Links, an 18-hole championship course designed by Robert Trent Jones Jr. With stunning ocean views and challenging fairways, this course provides a memorable experience for all skill levels. After your round of golf, make sure to stop by Club 19 for some food and drinks. It features indoor and outdoor seating with a modern American menu. The Waldorf Astoria Spa is a serene retreat designed for ultimate relaxation. Inspired by the ocean's healing properties, it offers private treatment rooms with customized wellness experiences, a tranquil relaxation lounge, a eucalyptus steam room, and an exclusive lap pool with a jacuzzi. Guests can maintain their fitness routine at the resort's fully equipped gym, featuring modern cardio machines, weight training equipment, and free weights. Complimentary fitness classes are available throughout the day. The gym is open daily from 5 a.m. to 10 p.m. With over 30,000 square feet of indoor and outdoor event spaces, the resort is an ideal venue for weddings, conferences, and special occasions. Venues offer breathtaking ocean views and customizable setups to suit any event. Here's a quick tip. Make sure to take time to walk around the massive resort grounds to see the beautiful fountains, botanical garden, and to enjoy the manicured lawn where families can enjoy games provided by the resort. The resort offers a selection of upscale shopping options for guests seeking luxury goods, fashion, and unique gifts. The boutique offers a curated selection of designer apparel, accessories, and resort wear, while the spa and fitness boutique sells products which allows you to incorporate the spa experience into your daily life. There's also a golf pro shop selling name brand golf accessories and equipment. We had a fantastic stay at the Waldorf Astoria Monarch Beach. Our room was luxurious and spacious, providing plenty of room for the four of us. The balcony view overlooking the resort grounds was a wonderful touch. Dinner at Aveo was a great experience. The setting was beautiful and the food was excellent. I also loved lounging by the pool and unwinding in the jacuzzi while taking in the scenic surroundings. A highlight of our stay was spending time at the exclusive Monarch Bay Beach Club, enjoying the ocean views and relaxed atmosphere. Whether for a romantic getaway, a rejuvenating retreat, or a special event, Waldorf Astoria Monarch Beach offers an unforgettable experience with its signature hospitality and timeless luxury. Thank you for watching. Please support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at @BevandRyan so you can follow our adventures and weekly uploads.